Got some leftover Gulab Jamun? Don't let them go to waste. This rich and creamy pudding transforms your extra Gulab Jamun into a luscious, melt-in-your-mouth dessert that's perfect for festivals, parties, or just an indulgent treat. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook For You presents Gulab Jamun pudding. You'll love this recipe because zero wastage, perfect use for leftovers, quick and easy, ready in minutes, gorgeous presentation, great for guests, fusion of traditional and modern flavours. Take leftover or 12 Gulab Jamuns. Add 3 bread slices. Add 3 eggs. Half teaspoon green cardamom powder. Quarter teaspoon nutmeg powder. Two to 3 pinches of yellow food colour. Quarter teaspoon vanilla essence. 2 pinches of salt. One-third cup sugar. Add 2 cups of milk. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Blend it until smooth puree consistency form. Pour the batter into an oven-safe dish. You can also add some Gulab Jamun chunks here. Garnish with chopped nuts. Like almonds and pistachios. Sprinkle some saffron. Our pudding is ready to bake. In a tray, pour 2 to 3 cups of water. Place batter dish on it. Cover the dish with foil. Prick with toothpick. In a preheated oven bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 to 70 minutes. If a toothpick comes out clean, which means our pudding is ready. Loosen the sides with the help of a knife. Cut into desired pieces. Our delicious Gulab Jamun pudding is ready. Have chilled or warm, it's up to you. Dig in and enjoy it. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.